we have business visa, and we have Hajj visa. And Hajj Umrah visa is for just Umrah. And then tourism visa is for those who intend to go to Saudi purposely for tourism. So that if you procure an Umrah visa, once it is solely meant for Umrah, you are not mandated or empowered to use that visa to perform Hajj. If you do that, it is illegal and it amounts to abusing the visa. And like the same way, if you procure tourism or business visa with the intention of going to do tourism or going to Saudi Arabia on business purposes, and you use the same visa to perform Hajj, it is illegal because that visa is not intended for Hajj purposes.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.